It is Friday, November 11th. My bus is at 11:15. Uber's already called. Next trip is Boston.
Alrighty.
Alright today, sir?
Alright, yourself?
Good.
Oh, I thought wouldn't have any classes today.
Huh?
Because of Veterans Day.
No, we still have classes.
Colleges don't care about it.
Huh?
It don't mean nothing in the colleges, huh? You going to Union Station?
Yeah.
Hi, Billy's friends.
Alex, what's good? What's good, my man? Actually, whose mans are these? Like, boy, for the pic, I thought I was. Oh, geez. Alex, what the fuck is happening, bro? Alex, how you feel right now?
I feel cold.
Cold?
I feel hungry. Just want food, man.
I feel that, Alex.
When is he coming?
6 to 7, 6:40.
Okay, let's go.
That's not enough time.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Just tell him to chill here for like 10 minutes and then we'll come back.
You can't get in here.
You have Alex.
Alex is doing his own shit. I'm not gonna make him wait for that.
You got B Pan.
Yeah, okay. Wait. Just go, hurry up. Hurry before someone looks. Hurry.
Like, please walk into the car. Walk into the car.
Yo, what is he doing? No! Yo, who's that? Yo, grab the boat. Yo, what happened? Where is he? He ran.
I hope he knows. I hope he knows the
fuck?
big turn off after like 15 seconds.
Back in the city, yo, Justine, what do you got to say to the girls, bro?
Keep it cool.
Yo, Seb, you want a piece of Justine's hotness, bro?
Oh yeah.
Back with the fam. What's up, Dad? Hey. What's up, Mom?
Hey.
Yup.